Taking proper care of your eyeglasses is essential for maintaining their appearance and longevity. Along with cleaning the lenses, it's important to take care for the frames, which are typically made from plastic or metal and can be washed with basic dish soap. Start by washing your hands with non-moisturizing soap to avoid transferring oils onto the frames. Rinse your glasses with warm water, apply a drop of dish soap to each lens, and gently lather the frames and lenses, paying extra attention to areas prone to grease, like the nose bridge. Rinse thoroughly under warm water and dry with a clean microfiber cloth, avoiding tissues or paper towels that may scratch the lenses. For nose pads, use a soft, bristled toothbrush dipped in a soapy solution. Rinse and dry thoroughly. If the nose pads remain dirty or smelly, consider a professional cleaning at your optometrist office. You can also polish plastic frames with a small amount of furniture polish or multi-purpose oil, allowing it to set for a few minutes before wiping away excess residue. Aim to clean your eyeglasses and frames daily to keep them in optimal condition.